One day a young boy asked his father, "What is the value of life?" The father told his son, "Take this rock and go sell it at a market. If anybody asks the price, raise two fingers and do not say anything." The boy then went to the market and a woman asked, "How much is the rock I want put in my garden?" The boy did not say anything and raised up two fingers. And the woman asked, $2, I will take it. And the boy went home and told his father. A woman wanted to buy this rock for $2. The father then said, "Son, I want to take the rock to your museum. If anybody wants to put it, do not say anything and just put up with two fingers." The boy then went to the museum and a man wanted to buy the rock. The boy did not say a word and put up two fingers, and the man said, $2,000, I will take it. The boy was shocked and went running home. "Father, a man wants to buy this rock for $2,000. His father then said, "Son, the last place I want to take this rock to a precious stone store. Show it is the owner and do not say a word. And if he ask the price, just to put up two fingers." The son then went to a precious stone store. He showed the rock to the owner. "Where did you find this stone?" "It is one of the more rarest stone of the world. I must have it. How much would you sell it for?" The boy put up two fingers and the man said, "I will take it for $200,000. The boy, not knowing what to say, ran home to his father. "Father, there is a man who wants to buy the rock. $200,000. His father then said, "Son, do you know the value of your life now? You see, it does not matter where you come from, where you were born, the color of your skin, or how much money you were born into. Matters where you decide to place yourself. The people you surrounded yourself with, and how you choose to carry yourself. You may have lived your whole life thinking you. You may have lived your whole life wearing a $200 stone, surrounded with people that say you are worth only for $200. But everybody has a diamond inside of them. And we can choose to surround ourselves with the people that see our value and see our diamond inside of us. We can choose to put ourselves in a market, put ourselves in a precious stone store. And you can also choose to see the value in other people's. You can help other people see the diamond inside of them. Choose the people you surrounded yourself with wisely. That can make all the difference in your life.